Hey guys, welcome back to another freaking video. Today I'm going to be doing an all matte eye look with a pop of color in the inner corner. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have my foundation down and all of that good stuff that I want down, and I also have my eye primer on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive right in doing the. I'm gonna go in with the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the JH30 brush, and I'm gonna go into this soft brown right here, and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna grab this JH33 brush, and I'm going to dip into this really dark, rich brown color right here, and I'm gonna mix it with the one right next to it just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna add this into my crease. To go in with this JH02 brush. This is more so like a highlighting brush, but I'm going to dip into the darker color right here that I dipped into and I mixed together, and I'm just going to put this all over the lid area. The key to this is make it darker on the outside. That's kind of why I went with this pointy brush, so I can take it into the outside and bring it lighter on the inside, because we want to leave the inside just whiter for the color. Going into Jaclyn Hill's Ring the Alarm palette out of the Vault collection, I'm going to go in with the shade Secret right here, and I'm going to take the JH43, and I'm going to take that color and I'm just going to stamp it like normally where you put your eyeliner. I'm going to stamp it in that area to kind of create like a little eyeliner, but not so much eyeliner. Get it blended out with the Stampy brush, I'm going with the JH40 to kind of blend it out, because I'm having that problem right here on my inner corner. And what you can also do is take that first color that we used all over the lid and just kind of buff it out. Into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette that is now broken, I guess. Wow, that's fun. Great. I'm going to go back in with this JH40 brush, and I'm going to go into the color White Chocolate, and I'm just going to put this in the inner corner to kind of brighten it up before we add the color. Now that I have like the lighter color in my inner corner, I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with the R39 from Morphe, and I'm going to do those two colors that I mixed together. I'm just very lightly going to tap into them and smoke out my bottom lash line. Okay, so the little thing that I've been holding up for like a mirror is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I have not used this at all and I've had it forever, but I'm gonna give it a whirl today because I do like the color Drinks, this bright orange, and that's what I want to pop into my inner corner because my eyes do kind of have like an orangey tint, but it's more nudie. If you wanted to stop right here with this look, you could, but I want to add a pop of color to the crease because I think that is such a sickening look. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that stamper brush I had, the JH43, and I'm just gonna take the color how it is. I do have L'Oreal's makeup extender here just in case if I need it. This color isn't as bright as I want it to be, so I am going to go ahead and I'm just gonna spritz my brush just a little bit and then dip back into that color. Take this Kylie Jenner brush, I'm going to spray it. And we're just going to see what this brings. This is not as vibrant as I wanted it to be. So I think for the other eye, I'm going to go in with her shade Damage Control, which is in the top row in the middle. I'm gonna wipe this brush clean and I'm gonna try that one on my other eyes. This is probably gonna look a little goofy, but I'm trying to figure out this palette. So Damage Control, it comes out very well on the brush, so I'm hoping that it just pops onto my eye. Blue is a little bit better. It's still not as vibrant as it looks in the thing. And it's not super easy to blend. That looks like doo-doo. Like, it's super hard to like keep it in one area. It just goes everywhere. I don't even know if I can finish. Let me just, I'm gonna dip into the Jaclyn Hill Original palette, and she has this like bluey aqua color down in the left hand corner on the bottom, and I just want to take that little brush that I was using to stamp on my eyeliner with, and I'm just gonna take that shimmer color and put it right into my inner corner, corner right here, and just try to brighten it up a little bit so it doesn't look as crazy. I'm definitely gonna need. This is just making me angry at this point. A lot of people said that the Party Animal palette was a joke, and I thought that they were just saying that because of all the drama that was going around. And now I know that they weren't lying. So that's fun. That's really fun. I'm going to try and save this look as much as I can, but don't know if that's gonna happen. You know, when I swatched that orange, it was really good, so I don't know what to do. I just tried to fix all that, and this is how I look. I went in with this palette with my fingers, and it seemed to work better with my fingers. I also went into the Jaclyn Hill Original palette and took her turquoise color to try and blend it out. But mixing the Damage Control color and the turquoise color just kind of made it like a poof green, so that's fun. I don't know if it looks as bad on camera as it does in person, but it looks very bad. I don't even want to continue trying to fix this because I don't think I can fix it without taking it all off and restarting. So yeah, that's how that went. So I don't recommend this palette. It's not very good. It got a very good mirror in it. Like, I use the mirror quite often, but yeah, so this video was a flunk and I'm sorry that I wasted your time. Yes. Very sorry that I wasted your time. So guys, yeah. I'll have another video up on Wednesday to make up for this video, so yeah. Upload a video on Wednesday. I'm so sorry that this was a total flunk, guys. I did not want it to be, but it was. I can't even title this video what I wanted it to be titled. So I promise that I will come back with a video on Wednesday to make up for this one. So yeah, love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed day. And again, I'm so sorry about this. If you want to unsubscribe, I don't blame you. Bye guys.